Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to fix SrtTrail.txt problem on your Windows system. So, to open automatic repair blue screen, so you need to press F8 on your computer restart. Once you are here, click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot. Now click on Advanced Options and select Command Prompt window. Once you are here, type this command carefully: bootrec.exe space slash fixmbr and hit enter. Then type bootrec.exe space slash fixboot. If you get access denied error, you will lose your important files, data and photos on your computer. But don't worry, there are 3 possible solutions. The third one is the best and practical. First way is to take your computer to a shop, which might cost you around $200 to $500 to fix this problem, and they may not even recover your data. The second solution is to send your computer to the manufacturer company. This can be again tedious and might take months to solve. Third and easiest solution is you can get a blue screen resolver guide and fix it yourself in 15 to 20 minutes. The guide is very easy to follow and no technical skills are required to use this guide. Just get this and save your computer and your important data, images and videos. The link in the description below. If you are not getting access denied error, then just move to the next commands. Then type bootrec.exe space slash scanos and hit enter. Now type chkdsk space slash r space c colon and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process, so wait for it. Then type exit, click on continue, and that's it guys, your problem will be solved.